The evenings grew colder. Leaves rustled across the yard. And on one quiet September night, a family stepped outside to enjoy their deck. But beneath their feet, something sinister was waiting. The boards had been weathered by years of storms, warped by the damp air, and rotting from within. Every step creaked like a warning, every plank hiding a secret. As the night fell darker, the deck began to make more and more sounds. A single board snapped, splintering into the shadows below. The laughter was gone. All that remained was the fear of what else might give way. Decay, mold, danger lurking with every step. Their cozy fall night had turned into a horror story. But it doesn't have to end this way. Rotting wood may haunt coastal homes, but there's one way to keep the nightmare away. AZEK decking. Designed to stand strong against salt, storms, and time itself, AZEK isn't wood at all. It's low maintenance, durable, and built to last through every season. No splinters, no warping, no rot. Just beauty, strength, and peace of mind. Whether it's summer sun or autumn storms. This fall, don't let your home become the rotten deck horror. Choose AZEK. Choose safety. Choose a deck that lasts. Coastal roofing, protecting what matters most.